Today we are going to make radial flowers. We will create a flower that has a radial design, a pattern that goes in a circle. Let's get started. A radial pattern is a pattern that goes in a circle. The materials you're going to need today are a piece of paper and some coloring tools, whether it's markers, crayons, or colored pencils. First, we need to choose a shape to put in the center of our paper as the center of our flower. So I'm going to decide whether or not I want to put a geometric shape, a shape that I recognize. No matter how big or how small, I know that this shape is an oval. Or I can choose an organic shape, a shape I don't necessarily know the name of, but I might have seen before, like any kind of cloud or a leaf or the booger that came out of your nose. And so I'm going to choose one of those shapes and place it in the center of my paper. You can choose any shape you like. I'm going to choose a circle. Next, you're going to choose a line to create large on your paper and repeat that at the top, bottom, side, and side to create your radial pattern, a pattern that goes in a circle. You can continue the radial pattern by using the same shape's line to connect all four of your shapes, adding one more petal to your flower. Next, you're going to create a stem by using two curved lines that connect your flower to any edge of the paper. And finally, go ahead, if you like, and add a curved line that you repeat on the top and bottom, and then add a line in the center using dashed lines to create a pattern for a stem. When you're done, now you're ready to create an optical illusion line pattern by tracing around your flower using a little space from your first flower shape, and you're going to repeat that until you fill the whole paper, creating a really nice line design. Let's speed this up. Now that we've finished our radial design flower, now we're ready to add color. So let's get started. First, I'm going to decide what color family I want to use. Do I want to use the warm colors, the colors that remind us of the sun, like red, orange, and yellow? Or do I want to use the cool colors, the colors that remind us of things that are cool, like the water, ocean, or grass under your feet? So once I've decided what color pattern I want for my flower, I will choose the opposite to create my line design pattern for color. So I'll first choose a color for the shape in the center. Next, I'll choose a color paying careful attention to go slow and trace around my shape first, and then repeat my lines with my marker going up and down the paper for good craftsmanship. Be neat and take your time. But let's time lapse so that you can see how this all comes together. I finished coloring in my radial flowers warm color pattern. Now I'm ready to fill in the line design using the opposite, and I'm going to use the cool colors. So first I'll decide what color pattern I want to use and give myself a little reminder by putting a dot in each of the first three that I want to do. And now let's begin. I want to go slowly and carefully to add the color. So let's speed this up. And now you have finished your radial flower line design pattern. You can create any number of designs. I can't wait to see what you create. Have fun!
This is a pelican. I love you.